Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study a better life. First, let's define what a better life truly means for you. It's essential to set clear, actionable goals that resonate with your personal values. Break down these larger aspirations into smaller, manageable steps. This approach makes your journey feel less overwhelming and helps you track progress effectively. Remember, a well-defined path is the first step towards achieving your desired future. Next, focus on cultivating positive habits that align with your goals. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant changes over time. Incorporate practices like mindfulness and gratitude into your daily routine to enhance your mental well-being. Don't forget the importance of physical health. Regular exercise and balanced nutrition are fundamental. These habits form the bedrock of a fulfilling and sustainable lifestyle. Embracing lifelong learning is crucial for continuous personal growth. Actively seek out new knowledge and skills, whether through reading, courses, or new experiences. Take time to reflect on your journey, understanding both your successes and challenges as valuable lessons. The world is constantly evolving, so remaining adaptable and open to new perspectives will empower you to navigate changes with confidence and curiosity. Finally, nurturing strong relationships is vital for a better life. Invest quality time and effort into your connections with family, friends, and your community. Open and honest communication builds trust and strengthens bonds. Remember to contribute positively to the lives of others and offer support when you can. These meaningful connections provide a strong support system and enrich your overall sense of purpose and happiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.